I'll have it off you. Oh, I've had enough. Come on then. Yeah.
Can we go round then?
Yeah, if you want. Don't go steady though, don't want you falling off. Get your phone. Come on then. It's no good if you broke your neck though, is it?
What?
It's no good if you hurt yourself, your phone. Be careful. Fasten it to you.
Yeah, but if I fall off, then I'm going to have to walk back and leave the quad.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, well, at least it'll stop, won't it?
Yes, and at least someone will pinch it. Won't
No,
they?
no, not do that. Round, inside.
Oh.
Yeah, through it. Back on itself. That's it.
Can't do it.
There you go. Stay still. Stay still.
Ready?
Yeah, nice and steady.